Replacement filter media. This biosponge is specifically designed for the Cascade 600 Fully Submersible Internal Filter, CIF3, and serves as a replacement for when it's time to cycle out filter media. Physical biological filtration. This replacement biosponge optimizes the colonization of anaerobic bacteria, along with providing mechanical filtration that traps large particulate matter. 1PACK. The package only contains a single biosponge. Although they are disposable, they can be reused time and time again. Simply clean the biosponge in a separate container within some of your aquarium's water. This allows for the colony of anaerobic bacteria to remain intact within the biosponge. Shop Penn-Plax for all your pet's needs. Penn-Plax is a manufacturer and distributor of top-quality pet supplies, who specialize in creating excellent pet products for animals, both great and small. Top reviews from the United States. Penn-Plax Cascade 600 Submersible Aquarium Filter. I use this in my Penn-Plax Cascade 600 Submersible Aquarium Filter along with a single sheet of polyester bedding and Biomax. In that order. I also chose to hot rod my filters to suit my own needs. It just works better for me that way, and my submersible aquarium filter came with this original sponging and I really liked it, so I kept investing in these instead of the charcoal cartridge. There's nothing wrong with the Penn-Plax charcoal cartridges, I just chose not to use them because my water is perfectly fine. It comes from our local water well. I have another filter at the end. And with this setup and filtration, I do not have to worry about a foul smell or cloudy water. It stays perfectly clean, and I have a 3-year-old red-eared slider that's 5.5 inches and 3 blood parrot cichlids 2 that's 2 inches and one of my parrotfish that's 4 inches. I have no issues. I wash the gunk out of the sponge in tank water every month only during my big water change. As I keep up with weekly and monthly water changes, I do not need to clean my sponge often, plus it doesn't get clogged with anything. I don't keep small fry or fish, shrimp, or any lil critters in this tank. It can also be because I only feed my fish in the tank. Jade, my red-eared slider, has all her feeding times in a 20-long sterilite tub. Except for her occasional shrimp treat she eats from my hand. Shipping was quick and sponge came in great condition. Thank you so much.